Hey, truth seekers, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the wild world of nature's most bizarre and fascinating creatures. Get ready to discover 20 of the strangest animals you've probably never heard of. From the depths of the ocean to the remote jungles, these animals will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. For our number 1, meet the axolotl. Have you ever heard of him? We didn't think so. These curious animals aren't all that well known, but boy, are they interesting. From their frilly gills, right down to their self-growing limbs. Axolotls are a type of salamander. However, unlike other amphibians, they don't lose their gills as they grow, so are unable to live on land and spend all of their lives in the water. Axolotl gills appear as feathery appendages on the outside of their bodies. It makes them super recognizable and very cute. At number 2, we have the Aye-Aye. Native to Madagascar, this peculiar nocturnal hunter is renowned for its distinctive features and unique hunting technique. The Aye-Aye possesses large eyes and bat-like ears, which are perfectly adapted for its nighttime activities. What truly sets the Aye-Aye apart is its extraordinarily long middle finger. This specialized finger is used to tap on trees to locate insects hidden beneath the bark. Once an insect is detected, the Aye-Aye gnaws a small hole in the wood and uses its elongated finger to extract the prey. This unique adaptation is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity in developing evolutionary strategies for survival. In addition to its hunting skills, the Aye-Aye's appearance is striking. It has coarse fur, a bushy tail, and rodent-like incisors that continuously grow, helping it to bore into wood. At number 3, we have the giant horned lizard, also known as the regal horned lizard. Weighing just 3 ounces, this small creature is a formidable predator with a strike speed of over 22 miles per hour, twice as fast as a rattlesnake. It can grab prey from 5 inches away in just 30 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. In addition to its speed, the giant horned lizard is incredibly strong. If scaled up to the size of a full-grown bull, it would produce 14,000 pounds of force, compared to the bull's 6,000 pounds. However, its most terrifying feature is its unique defense mechanism, weaponized eyeballs. When threatened, it builds up pockets of blood in its eye sockets and can shoot a stream almost 6 feet with more than twice the squirt force of a fire truck. The blood it shoots is toxic, thanks to its diet of poisonous harvester ants. The lizard is immune to the ant's venom but stores it to use as a biological weapon. If this blood hits a predator's mouth or eyes, it causes severe pain and sickness, ensuring the predator will think twice before attacking again. At number 4, we have the Dumbo Octopus. Named after the Disney character Dumbo for its ear-like fins, this deep-sea creature is one of the cutest and most fascinating marine animals. Found at extreme depths ranging from 9,800 to 13,000 feet below the ocean surface, the Dumbo octopus is adapted to live in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. These octopuses are small, generally measuring around 8 to 12 inches in length, though some can grow up to 6 feet. Their most distinctive features are their large, ear-like fins located on the sides of their heads, which they use to swim gracefully through the water. Unlike many other octopuses, Dumbo octopuses do not have an ink sac, because there are few predators at such depths. At number 5, we have the star-nosed mole, one of Canada's most bizarre species. More peculiar than Canadians, no offense intended. This creature's face looks like it exploded into multiple appendages. These appendages are actually part of its nose, which is covered in about 25,000 sensory receptors known as Eimer's organs. Despite its odd appearance, the star-nosed mole's adaptations are perfectly suited to its lifestyle, allowing it to thrive in its subterranean habitat. This mole has an incredibly acute sense of smell, capable of detecting odors with remarkable precision. This specialized nose makes it the world's fastest eating mammal. It can locate, hunt, catch, and devour its prey in less than a quarter of a second. Its main diet is earthworms, but that doesn't make it any less terrifying. At number 6, we have the horror frog, also known as the peludo frog or wolverine frog. This remarkable amphibian, native to Central Africa, has a unique and somewhat terrifying defense mechanism that sets it apart from other frogs. When threatened, the horror frog breaks its own bones to produce claws that puncture through its skin, similar to Wolverine from the X-Men. These bony claws provide a formidable defense against predators, making the frog a fearsome adversary despite its small size. The horror frog's self-defense strategy is not its only unusual feature. It also has a hairy appearance during the breeding season, when males develop hair-like structures on their flanks and thighs. These structures increase surface area for oxygen absorption, helping the frog survive in low-oxygen environments. This combination of bone-breaking claws and temporary hair makes the horror frog one of nature's most extraordinary and resilient creatures. At number 7, we have the giant isopod, often nicknamed the Roomba of the sea. This fascinating creature, which belongs to the crustacean family, inhabits the deep, cold waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Giant isopods can grow up to 14 inches or more, making them one of the largest isopods in the world. Their appearance is reminiscent of a giant pill bug, with a segmented armor-like exoskeleton that provides protection against the harsh deep-sea environment. These creatures are scavengers, feeding primarily on dead marine animals that sink to the ocean floor. Their slow, methodical movements and role in cleaning up the ocean floor have earned them the Roomba of the Sea nickname. Despite their intimidating appearance, giant isopods play a crucial role in their ecosystem by recycling nutrients and keeping the ocean floor clean. Adapted to life in the deep sea, they can survive long periods without food and withstand the immense pressures of their habitat. At number 8, we have the maned wolf. Native to the grasslands and savannas of South America, the maned wolf is one of the continent's most distinctive and enigmatic animals. Despite its name and appearance, the maned wolf is not a true wolf. The maned wolf is known for its long legs, which are adapted for navigating tall grasslands. These legs, combined with its reddish-brown fur and distinctive black mane running along its back, give it a striking and somewhat fox-like appearance. This mane can be erected to make the animal appear larger when threatened. Primarily nocturnal and solitary, the maned wolf has a varied diet that includes small mammals, birds, insects, and a significant amount of plant material. This animal is an important part of its ecosystem, helping to control rodent populations and disperse seeds through its fruit consumption. However, habitat loss and human encroachment have led to declining populations, making conservation efforts critical for the survival of this unique species. At number 9, we have the tarsier. The rising moon is their signal to wake up. A primitive little primate, the tarsier would sit comfortably in your hand. The family takes a while to adjust to the moonlight, but these nocturnal creatures are generally quite comfortable in the dark and have developed some extreme adaptations. Their big round eyes are bigger than their stomach and their brain, giving the tarsier superb eyesight. Elongated feet are great for gripping, and satellite-like ears can pinpoint the quietest sound. When dinner is located, they pounce, some more successfully than others. Clinging to trees with its elongated fingers and powerful hind limbs, the tarsier can leap great distances to catch insects, small birds, and other prey. Its unique combination of physical traits makes the tarsier a fascinating and efficient nocturnal hunter in its dense forest habitat. The tiny tarsier may appear cute and cuddly, but they are truly one of the forest's most adept predators. At number 10, we have the Proboscis monkey. Native to the mangrove forests, swamps, and coastal areas of Borneo, this monkey is easily recognizable by its large, pendulous nose, which is especially pronounced in males. This distinctive feature has earned them their name and plays a role in attracting mates and amplifying vocalizations. These monkeys are excellent swimmers, with partially webbed feet that allow them to navigate their watery habitats efficiently. They often cross rivers and streams to forage for food, which includes leaves, seeds, fruits, and insects. Proboscis monkeys live in social groups typically consisting of one dominant male, several females, and their offspring. Their large noses serve multiple purposes. They enhance vocalizations used to communicate with other group members and assert dominance. And they may also play a role in sexual selection, with females preferring males with larger noses. At number 11, we have the secretary bird. This distinctive bird of prey is native to the open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. Known for its long legs and striking appearance, the secretary bird combines features of both raptors and terrestrial birds, making it a unique and fascinating species. The secretary bird stands out with its tall stature, reaching up to 4.3 feet in height. Its long, crane-like legs are adapted for walking, allowing it to cover large distances on foot as it hunts for prey. The bird's plumage is predominantly gray and white, with black flight feathers and a distinctive crest of long black feathers on the back of its head, which is thought to resemble quill pens stuck behind a secretary's ear, giving the bird its name. Hunting primarily on the ground, the secretary bird uses its powerful legs and feet to stomp on and kick its prey, which includes snakes, insects, small mammals, and birds. Its formidable hunting technique allows it to tackle even venomous snakes with precision and strength. The bird's long legs keep it at a safe distance from potential strikes, while it delivers powerful blows to incapacitate its prey. At number 12, we have the platypus, one of the most unusual and fascinating creatures on Earth. Native to eastern Australia, including Tasmania, the platypus is a monotreme, a type of egg-laying mammal, and it exhibits a unique combination of features from different animal groups. The platypus has a duck-like bill, webbed feet, a beaver-like tail, and the fur-covered body of an otter. Its bill is equipped with electroreceptors that allow it to detect the electrical signals of prey underwater, such as insects, larvae, and small crustaceans. This adaptation is particularly useful as the platypus hunts with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed, relying entirely on its bill's sensitivity. Males have another unique feature: venomous spurs on their hind legs. These spurs can deliver a painful sting to potential predators or rivals, especially during the breeding season. While the venom is not lethal to humans, it can cause severe pain and swelling. At number 13, we have the quokka. Often referred to as the world's happiest animal due to its perpetually smiling face, the quokka is a small marsupial native to southwestern Australia, particularly on Rottnest Island and Bald Island. Quokkas are about the size of a domestic cat, with rounded ears, a short tail, and a stocky build. They have brownish-gray fur and are known for their friendly and curious nature, often approaching humans without fear. This behavior has made them popular with tourists, who frequently take selfies with these adorable animals. Quokkas are primarily nocturnal and herbivorous, feeding on a variety of vegetation, including grasses, leaves, and stems. They have a unique adaptation to their dry environment. They can go for long periods without drinking water, obtaining most of their hydration from the food they eat. During the day, they rest in the shade to avoid the heat, becoming more active in the cooler evening and nighttime hours. At number 14, we have the fossa. Native to the island of Madagascar, the fossa is the largest carnivorous mammal on the island and a top predator in its ecosystem. Resembling a small cougar, the fossa is a unique and fascinating animal with physical and behavioral traits that set it apart from other species. Fossas have a slender, elongated body, measuring about 28 to 31 inches in length, with an equally long tail that aids in balance. They have muscular limbs, sharp retractable claws, and flexible ankles, allowing them to climb trees and leap between branches with great agility. Their short, dense fur is typically a reddish-brown or dark brown color. Primarily solitary and nocturnal, fossas are known for their stealth and hunting prowess. Their diet mainly consists of lemurs, which are also native to Madagascar, but they will also hunt small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Using their keen sense of smell and sight, fossas are adept at stalking and ambushing their prey both on the ground and in the trees. At number 15, we have the Gerenuk, native to the arid regions of East Africa, including Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania. The Gerenuk is a unique and graceful antelope known for its distinctive long neck and slender legs, which give it a giraffe-like appearance and the nickname giraffe gazelle. Gerenuks stand out due to their remarkable feeding habits. Unlike other antelopes that graze on grass, Gerenuks are specialized browsers. They can stand on their hind legs and stretch their long necks to reach leaves, flowers, and fruits on shrubs and small trees that are well above the reach of other herbivores. This ability allows them to exploit food sources that are otherwise inaccessible, giving them a significant advantage in their dry, sparse habitats. Adult Gerenuks are about 3 to 3.5 feet tall at the shoulder, but they can reach up to 6 feet when standing on their hind legs. They have a reddish-brown coat with lighter underparts, large ears, and big, expressive eyes. Males possess lyre-shaped horns that curve backward and can grow up to 17 inches long. They are highly adapted to their environment, obtaining most of their water from the vegetation they consume, which allows them to survive in arid conditions where water sources are scarce. At number 16, we have the Narwhal, often referred to as the unicorn of the sea. This remarkable marine mammal is native to the Arctic waters around Greenland, Canada, and Russia. Narwhals are known for their distinctive long, spiral tusk, which is actually an elongated upper left canine tooth that can grow up to 10 feet long. Narwhals have a mottled gray and white coloration, which helps them blend into their icy environment. They are well adapted to life in the Arctic, with a thick layer of blubber to insulate against the cold and the ability to dive up to 4,900 feet in search of food. Their diet primarily consists of fish, squid, and shrimp. The purpose of the narwhal's tusk has long been a subject of fascination and study. While it was once thought to be used for hunting or defense, recent research suggests that it may play a role in sensing the environment, detecting changes in water temperature, salinity, and pressure. Males may also use their tusks in social interactions and displays of dominance. At number 17, we have the kakapo, also known as the owl parrot. This remarkable bird is native to New Zealand and is one of the world's most unique and endangered parrots. The kakapo is known for its nocturnal habits, flightlessness, and distinctive owl-like face. The kakapo is a large, heavy parrot, with males weighing up to 9 pounds. It has a moss-green plumage with black and yellow highlights, which provides excellent camouflage in its forest habitat. Its large, round eyes and disc-shaped face give it an owl-like appearance, hence its nickname. One of the most fascinating aspects of the kakapo is its breeding behavior. Males create booming sounds to attract females, which can be heard over long distances. They construct elaborate display courts, called leks, where they perform their courtship displays. Breeding occurs infrequently, often only in years when certain fruits are abundant, which contributes to their slow population growth. At number 18, we have the Tuatara, a fascinating reptile native to New Zealand. Often referred to as a living fossil, the Tuatara belongs to an ancient order of reptiles known as Rhynchocephalia, which thrived around 200 million years ago during the age of the dinosaurs. Today, the Tuatara is the only surviving member of this order, making it a unique and important species for scientific study. One of the most distinctive features of the Tuatara is its third eye, a light-sensitive parietal eye on the top of its head. While this eye is not used for vision, it is thought to help regulate their circadian rhythms and hormone production. Another unique trait is their incredibly slow metabolism and long lifespan, with some individuals living over 100 years. Tuatara are primarily nocturnal and solitary creatures, emerging at night to hunt insects, spiders, snails, and even small birds. They have a remarkable ability to endure cold temperatures, which is unusual for reptiles. At number 19, we have the pangolin, an extraordinary mammal known for its unique appearance and behavior. Found in parts of Africa and Asia, pangolins are covered in protective keratin scales, making them the only mammals with this type of body armor. Pangolins are relatively small, with most species measuring between 12 to 39 inches in length and weighing between 4.4 to 72 pounds. Their scales are sharp and can be used as a defense mechanism, with pangolins curling into a tight ball when threatened, deterring predators. Pangolins have elongated, sticky tongues that can extend longer than their bodies, allowing them to efficiently feed on ants and termites. They are primarily nocturnal and have poor vision, relying heavily on their keen sense of smell to locate food. Their strong, curved claws are perfect for digging into ant and termite mounds. At number 20, we have the SAA Antelope, a unique and critically endangered species native to the steppes of Central Asia, including parts of Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and Russia. The SAA antelope is easily recognizable by its distinctive bulbous nose, which looks almost cartoonish. This unusual nose structure helps filter out dust during the dry summer months and warms up cold air during the winter, aiding in their survival in harsh environments. SAA antelopes are medium-sized, with males being larger than females. Males can weigh up to 90 pounds and have distinctively curved horns, while females typically weigh around 60 pounds and are hornless. Their sandy-colored fur helps them blend into their grassy habitat, providing camouflage from predators. The SAA antelope's diet mainly consists of grasses, herbs, and shrubs. They are migratory animals, traveling vast distances across the steppes to find food and water, often covering up to 620 miles in a year. As we finish our countdown, it's important to let you know that many of these fascinating species are becoming endangered due to habitat loss and other human activities. Each of these creatures plays a vital role in their ecosystems, and it's our responsibility to do our best to preserve them. By supporting conservation efforts and raising awareness, we can help protect these incredible animals for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know which animal was your favorite, or if you know any other remarkable species we should feature. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Together, we can make a difference and ensure these creatures continue to thrive in the wild.